Provision 5. I had a thought which I wanted to share. People often complain about getting mentally and physically exhausted when it comes to earning their lawful provision in order to fulfill their needs and responsibilities, such as providing for their dependents. It is important to understand that as long as a person lives in this world, their provision, meaning the things they need to survive in this world, has been guaranteed by Allah, the Exalted. In fact, He allocated the provision for the creation over 50,000 years before He created the heavens and the earth. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748. Chapter 11 Hud, verse 6.
And there is no creature on earth but that upon Allah is its provision, and He knows its place of dwelling and place of storage. All is in a clear register.
An aspect of this allotment includes the mental and physical energy needed to obtain one's provision. But the important thing to note is that the guaranteed provision is only the minimum required to survive in this world. There is no guarantee a person will get more than this minimum, even though most people do get more. This means, even though all people have been provided the mental and physical energy to obtain the minimum provision they need to survive in this world, they have not all been provided with more than that. Meaning, some people have been provided more than the minimal, and therefore they have also been provided the mental and physical energy required to obtain it, whereas others have not. Therefore, when people strive to obtain more than their minimal requirements, which they were not allocated, then it will only result in getting mentally and physically fed up, as they were not provided the extra mental and physical energy needed to obtain more provision. Whereas, the one who strives to obtain their necessities without waste, extravagance and excessiveness, will never get mentally or physically fed up, as this level of mental and physical energy has been guaranteed to them. To conclude, if one wants to avoid mental and physical exhaustion in respect to obtaining their provision, they should strive to obtain and use according to their minimal requirements and teach their dependents to do the same.